How to create 163.com email account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar, then type mail.163.com. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then simply tap on translate. Then tap on first enter the web version. Again tap on three dots. Again tap on translate. Now simply tap on this button. Now wait for some time. Then tap on translate. Again wait for some time. Then tap on register with letters and numbers. Again tap on three dots and tap on translate. Now enter the email account. Then tap on password. Now create a password. Then tap on agree and tap on start registration. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.